back to another video. This is Flower Heart Plans. My name is Harley, and today I'm showing you what I recently got from Erin Condren. They recently had a sale and I could not pass it up. So I'm going to show you what I got and we are going to jump right into it. This is probably going to be a short video because I'm just going to do first impressions of the two planner systems that I got. First, let's go through the Softbound LifePlanner. I also have the Petite daily planners, but we'll talk about that when we get there. So first, I took it out of the plastic, I took it out of the box and everything just to make sure it was the right item. Because when I originally shopped the sale, I ordered the mauve hourly layout and they sent me the wrong item completely. They sent me the wisteria horizontal undated planner instead. And so I contacted Erin Condren customer service. They informed me that the mauve hourly layout was no longer available. It was out of stock, which I understood. And so they gave me a store credit to buy another item. And so I really wanted the hourly layout. So I decided to go with the wildflowers hourly layout, which now that I'm looking at it in person, I'm really happy about. It's really, really beautiful. And so even though the mauve hourly layout was more neutral, I think I could make this wildflower theme work. So before I get into anything about what's in this hourly layout planner, I want to say thank you for Misty of Happy Planning with Misty for influencing me, because I saw her unboxing video of her Erin Condren hourly layout. She had this exact same one. And I was in the market for an hourly planner since my Clever Fox one didn't work out. And for some reason, Erin Condren was on my radar, but not really. And when Misty said the price, I was like, I could not pass that up, honestly. And then when they sent me the wrong item, gave me a credit, the planner was even cheaper because it was their formerly called warehouse sale. I forget what they call it now, but they had a sale, another sale going on. And so I was able to get this planner for even cheaper. And so I had some dollars left over, so I decided to get the daily Petite planners. Anyway, all that to say that thank you, Misty, for influencing me, because I'm super, super excited to try out this hourly planner. So let's jump into it. This is the Softbound hourly layout. It has thick 80-pound text weight paper, 12 months for 2024. It's 8 by 10. And so I'm going to take this off now. I just wanted to keep that on to show you the features of the hourly layout. So we get to this beautiful, beautiful planner. This is so pretty. I'm actually really excited that I have the wildflowers one. It's actually gilded on the edge too in gold. So we open it up and it has a space to put your name. Now, I don't ever really put my name in my planners. I just either ignore this page or make it a title page. Probably just going to ignore it in this planner. And then we have the year at a glance. I'm guessing since there are 12 boxes here, this is a yearly something. You could use it for whatever you want, I'm assuming, since there aren't labels on the headers. That's cool. I'm not sure what I would use it for. These are heritage and awareness observances, holidays. And then we have a notes page, and then we get into the layout. So this is the title page for January. We have the monthly calendar, and it does have decoration throughout the planner, which is why originally I wanted the mauve, because it was neutral, completely neutral inside. But this is pretty. And then again, there's decoration on the monthly dashboard. And then there is color. It changes with each month, but there's color where the dates are. And then it's an hourly layout. It goes from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then there are lines at the bottom where you could either write to-do items or extend the times if you need to. Then there are 2 habit trackers under the sidebar. So it is almost April. Today is March 30th. And so I'm going to start this for April. So let's just move the bookmark out of the way. And April has a title page that says, Find the Good in Every Day. Again, this is very pretty. The reason why I didn't originally choose this theme planner is because the colors are more muted, more neutral than I would have liked. I would have liked it to be brighter dashboards and neutral layout, a neutral calendar without decoration, and neutral dashboard, and a neutral no color here. But again, this is minimal. This is a lot of decoration. Not sure how I'm going to match this when I decorate the page, or if I even need to decorate it. Maybe I could go without putting stickers and washi tape down. We'll see. But this is the calendar for April. I love that these boxes are big enough to give me space to write in, because sometimes monthly calendars feel a bit too small, but these feel decent size. Again, I am going to decorate my monthly calendar, and I'm going to have to match this somehow. I might have some Simply Gilded washi tape in this color palette, this tan, beige, brown color palette. Not sure what I'm going to do with this monthly dashboard. And then we get to the hourly layout. And I should mention that I'm using this planner as my social media / business planner. I'm hesitant to say business planner because I don't know what's going to happen. I have some ideas. I have some plans. I just have to put them into action. But yes, this is going to be for my side hustle business that I haven't talked about yet, but there are things in the works. So I'm going to use this to plan out my day before work, things that I can do during work, during my lunch break, and after work. Now, most of my day is going to be blocked out for work, but there are things I can do like brainstorming, or on my lunch break, I could do emails or small administrative stuff that I could do that I might need to do. But most of the work for this planner is going to be before my normal day job and after my normal day job. But I still wanted the hourly layout because I just feel like that'll help me more. And this is going to work together with the Petite planners. So yeah, I'm excited to use this and see how it works out. And then after we get through all of the year, there are notes pages in the back, not a lot. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes pages. And then we get to the future calendars that you could plan out future events in. All in all, I'm happy with this purchase, and I'm excited to see how this works out. So the Petite daily planners, let me take them out of the plastic because I don't want that to be loud. Okay, now the Petite daily planners are in the same wildflowers theme, and they come in quarterly books. So it's April, so I ordered the January through March just because there was a deal on the Petite planners where if you buy the set, you get them cheaper. And I figured I could use that for testing out layouts, or maybe even back planning if I want to. I don't know, but I did order that one, but it didn't ship. So I do have April through June July to September, and October to December. And again, these are muted colors, more muted than I would have gone for, but it is still pretty. So I'm not going to complain too much. I'm actually not going to complain at all because it's pretty. It's just not what I would have originally gone to, but the Petite planners don't come in multiple styles. This is the only one. So if you're not familiar with the Petite Daily Planner, it is a booklet it doesn't really lay flat unless you train it to lay flat because it's sewn in the middle. And so if you push down on it, it lays flat for the middle. And then if you turn to a random page and, kind of push it backward, it lays flat. And it has 3 months in each planner. So it has the monthly calendar. Again, it has the same decoration that was in the hourly layout. These calendar boxes are pretty small. I should say this is let's see what size this is. 5.7 by 8.25 inches. So I'm assuming that's about A5. I'm not certain. But yeah, these boxes are pretty small. And then the daily layout, there is a day per page, except for the weekend. Saturday and Sunday are stacked on one page. But for Monday through Friday, you get 3 sections that have a shaded header, and then you get a checklist and then an open notes area. One of the notes areas has the calendar, so you could highlight the week that you're on. And then when you get to Saturday and Sunday, you just have a checklist and an open notes area. And they do have quotes throughout. And it just continues that way until you get to the next month. And then you have another decoration on the monthly calendar. And the shaded areas are a different color. So this is like a grayish color. And this is lavender or purple. I don't know why I said lavender. It's just a light purple. And then this is a more brighter purple for June. And that's pretty much all that is the Petite Daily Planner. There are only 2 notes pages in the back. It does come with stickers. I find that I don't really use Erin Condren stickers all that much. I don't prefer them, if I'm being honest, but there is this little pocket here in the back if you want that. And so what I was thinking, where's my hourly? I was thinking that I could use these together. And I'm thinking of using this, which is why I wish that Saturday and Sunday had their own day, but that's not the layout that I was given. I'm going to use this to track what I need to do for my side hustle, which includes YouTube, this planner channel specifically, but I have ideas either to add to this planner channel other content or to make a separate channel. I'm not sure what direction I'm going to go in just yet in terms of having one channel or 2. But YouTube content is in here. I might start posting on Instagram. I left Instagram a year, maybe more than a year ago, and I really love how I curated my content so that I was only seeing planners and art. And that's what I liked to use my Instagram for, just to look at pretty planner pages, stickers, washi tape, keep up with small shops that I follow, and to see artwork, because I also paint, or I used to paint and draw and all that stuff. So I curated my feed to the point where I just saw pretty things But something about Instagram, the way they were tracking me, the way I would, like the advertising, it was like every 2 or 3 posts was advertising, and it just became too much. And then I started seeing different content on my page that I was not seeking. It was just being pushed on me. And I'm like, well, I curated my feed for a reason. I don't want to see all of this extra people dancing, people doing other stuff that I'm just not interested in. So I got rid of my Instagram. All that to say, Instagram might be coming back into the mix. And if it does, it will be part of this planner system. It will be included in what I'm tracking and planning in this planner system. My side business that I'm thinking, or that I am in the middle of starting, that will also be in here. And so I'm going to use a checklist for items that I have to do for all of those things for my side hustle. And then I'm going to use these categories mostly for YouTube, because keeping up with filming, editing, posting, when I first started YouTube, I was posting a video a day, and that got really difficult until I had a social media planner. And I'm thinking, if I want to really get back into posting more than 1 video a week, I'm going to need a social media planner, which is where this will come in again. And so I could divide this into film, edit, upload, or film, edit, administrative work, or some kind of categories to break it up. And then when it comes to the hourly, I would use the hourly to plan out when I'm going to do the tasks in here. Because this planner, the hourly planner, doesn't give space for a daily checklist. So I could use this as kind of my notes area, my checklist, my categories, and then plan out each day when, if, and when I have time to actually do all the things on my list. So that's how I'm going to use these. I just wanted to let you know that I did get new planners. These will be in my lineup. I might show how I decorate these pages. I'm hesitant only because I don't know if I could make decorating these pages work, just because they're this color up here, and I don't know. I don't know. I'm used to decorating Nostalgia. That's where I feel most comfortable. Decorating an hourly layout, a vertical layout, I don't know if I feel comfortable doing that anymore. Or maybe we could learn together. That could be something. And the Daily Petite Planner, I'm not sure how to decorate this one either. I did use a Petite Planner in 2022. And I decorated it, but I never found my groove with it. So this will also be a learning experience. But anyway, I've been talking a lot. This was really just to show you the new planners that I got from Erin Condren. And I'm going to stop rambling there. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.